In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. The life of the Lady of Heaven, Fatima, peace be upon her, is rich in optimal human values. It is a story of the purest, noblest, and most innocent lady. She boldly stood up in the face of tyranny and covetous political rivalries, which have to potential of turning religion from peace and freedom into subjugation, violence, and terror. One who ponders upon the pages of Islamic history up until this current day will come to know that the terrorism of this day and age is a fulfillment of the lady's prophecy when she forewarned against a dark, bloody future, should the complicity towards immoral and covetous politicians continue. The lady has paid her life standing for her principles, leading to her tragic martyrdom at a young age. Her courageous standing teaches us the importance of attaining patience to gain victory. It teaches us that victory is not materialistic only, but can be moral too. This film conveys a message of love and peace. It is a call to a better mindset when dealing with challenges. I'm certain that should humanity follow in the steps of the lady, peace, justice, and equality will prevail and triumph. I pray for this to happen. I'm very proud of this brilliant, high-quality cinematic production, as well as the entire team from various backgrounds and ideologies who have contributed to its making. Indeed, the love for this great lady and the belief in her noble message united them. I am overwhelmed with gratitude for their magnificent service to humanity, and I send them my deepest congratulations.